Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisia.B, and in today's video, you guys voted for a half up, half down hairstyle, and I'm gonna give you guys just that. So this hairstyle might not take too long because it's clip-ins, which is really good. I'm not gonna glue it to my hair like a quick weave, so it's gonna go by a little bit more faster. I love a quick hairstyle. It's gonna look good, hopefully. Yeah, let's just get right into it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to part my hair in half, try to make it as neat as possible. The neater it is, the better it's gonna look. And I'm also gonna leave a little bit of a perimeter so that way that hair could cover the tracks at the back. So I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. I parted my hair in half, and I also took out a little bit of a border so that way that hair could cover the tracks from the back. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. So this is my hair cut in half or parted in half, and I left a little bit and I pinned it up so that way it could cover the hair afterwards. And then this part is going to be my ponytail. So all you want to do now is just braid back the back. It doesn't have to be small. 4 or 5 braids is good enough. Just braid it back and secure it, and that's where we're going to clip on the clip-ons. Once that's done, we're going to put some oil and grease our scalp. You guys, even though our hair is in a protective hairstyle, scalp upkeep is very important. So that's why we're going to go in with the Hask Scalp Secret and the Do Grow Mega Thick Hair Grease. You guys, these are going to keep our scalp nice and moisturized, and when we take out our protective hairstyle, you guys should see some growth rather than breakage. Now I'm gonna take my clip-ins. I want kind of like a highlighted color. That's why I have this blonde one mixed with black, and I have black as well. I'm just gonna mix these at the back and see what it gives. I think it's gonna look good with the highlights. Depending on how full you want it to be, then you put more, obviously. I want it to be nice and full of volume, so I'm gonna use as much as I can. It's not a lot of space at the back, so probably about 4 or 5 clip-ins. But yeah, let's just see what we got. You're done clipping in the clip-ins at the back, what I did was I just put down my hair over it, and then I'm just going to keep it in a ponytail until I'm ready to curl the back. And I'm going to add some heat protectants, the one and only, you guys already know. I'm going to add this to my front part and then blow it out just to make sure that my hair is protected while I add heat to it. Once that is done, what you want to do is put your hair in a ponytail in the position that you want it. And before you mold down your hair, make sure you take out any baby hairs that you want, because once it's molded in, you cannot move it, because if you move it, your hair is going to flake and you're going to have a hot mess, and just forget about the whole hairstyle, okay? And if you're doing it in the middle, you want to make sure that the ponytail is directly in the middle of your hair. This could take some time, so do not rush it, because this is what people is gonna see, right? They're gonna see the ponytail, so you want to make sure that the ponytail is exactly where you want it to be. Take the wax, and instead of putting it just on your hair like this, warm it up on your palms It just works a little bit better. And then put it on your hair. You have a little bit more control of where you want to put the wax rather than it just spreading all over the place. I'm going to braid the ponytail part, but I'm not going to braid it all the way. I'm probably going to braid it like halfway down because I don't want my ponytail to be too long. And you want to make sure that your braid is tight because then it'll be so much easier to add the wrapping paper and the weave to your ponytail. Just like that. Take your wrapping paper and then you can wrap it around the part that you braided only, keeping the tail of your ponytail out. And you can wrap it really tight just to ensure that it doesn't move. And you want to make sure that you use a lot of wrapping paper because you don't want any glue on your hair. You want to make sure that you add enough wrapping paper so that way your hair is protected. Okay, once you reach the end of it, then you take your glue and just tack it down. Put it on the ponytail. Careful not to get it on your hair. And then just tack it. So once your ponytail is done, it should look something like this, okay? Don't be alarmed if it's sticking up because the weight of the weave that you're going to put onto your ponytail is going to bring it back down and it's going to look good anyway because you also want the height for the ponytail. I'm going to show you guys what I mean after the ponytail is done. Now, if you're gluing your weave to your ponytail, the easiest way I could tell you is to put a strip of glue on the paper and just keep on wrapping your hair around. That's the easiest and fastest way. That's the method that I'm going to be doing today. So let me show you guys. Ooh. So once you're done, you want to hide this track around here. So I'm going to take a piece of the weave from the back, comb it out first, and actually you want to smooth it out, and then we're going to wrap it around so that way it's as smooth as possible because that's what's going to give you that nice height and it's going to change the game for the ponytail, y'all. I'm telling you, it's going to change the game. This is what you should be getting. As you guys can see, the height is what I was talking about. This is what you want. You don't want the ponytail so flat on your head. You want to have some height. So this is what it's given right now. So what I'm going to do now is just straighten the hair to see how it looks. Do the edges and see what this hairstyle is giving. But so far, the frame of this hair is, yeah, it's nice, y'all. It's nice. look. This is how it looks when it is straightened. And this is why I say it doesn't really matter if you're using curly and straight hair, because you're not keeping it in its natural state and you're gonna press it out anyway. It's gonna blend in. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna show you guys from the back as well, so you guys can get like a full look at it. But I think it did really good. For it being my first time doing this hairstyle, I think it did pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the back. This is how it looks when it's curled, you guys. I think it looks super cute, y'all. This hairstyle came out really, really nice. I'm so happy that you guys voted for this one on my channel. Again, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me. This is my handle, just a reminder. But this is how the hair looks, you guys. It came out really nice. Absolutely love it. I think the curls look so good. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys learned something in this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in another video. Love you. Bye.